Hey guys, Cassandra here. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be starting a series of farm animals which I got. As you can hear the rooster, which I'll be showing you today, and the chickens. I'll meet you back down there. Do you see that bee? You see the bee? See the bee? See it? Stop swimming, BB. So right now the chickens are currently out of their cage. I think we could get the rooster without showing you anything. I'll meet you there. Do you see one of them? You see them? That's two of our chickens. We got more. If you see over there, see, we got one coming towards us. Oh, no, there's three over there. There's three. And one right there. And also, one of our other chickens are laying eggs. She's been there for about an hour already. And I have no idea where the rooster is. That's for one. So there's the rooster way down there. You see it better? He's looking. We'll show you the other chickens right now.
No, lá para trás há uma mexer de pó. Lá para trás. Já tinha, era cabras. Cabras, cara, naquele posto da frente. Ali, não está aquelas ovelhas agora, há aquelas que mas lá para trás, para o moto, tem postos ali para trás. E eu queria meter ali umas 40, 50, 70 vezes. Pagava a rã. E ele, não, está para frente, está para diante. Ela dizia isso é a direção. Não quer que ninguém venha para aqui, porque está sozinho, porque a manga, não minimizava a parte de trás, porque aquilo é muito grande.
So we have 5 chickens in total. See here? Yeah. So that'll be the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like for more. Got more farm animals. Got bunnies over there. More bunnies over there. Everything. Hope you liked it. Please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And goodbye.